Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up ExitLag for Valorant. Let's get started. ExitLag is a network optimization service designed to reduce ping, fix packet loss, and give you a smoother, more stable connection in competitive games like Valorant. To begin, you'll need to purchase a subscription and download the ExitLag client from their official website. After installing, open the application and log into your account. On the main dashboard, you'll see a search bar. Type in Valorant and select it from the list of games. ExitLag will then display a list of available servers and routes. Your goal is to find the server location that gives you the lowest ping to Valorant's game servers. You might need to test a few different ones. Try choosing a server that is geographically closest to the official Valorant server you want to connect to, such as US Central or Europe. Once you select your preferred server, click on it. For the best results, you can click on Advanced Settings. Here, you can manually adjust the routes. A common and effective configuration is to leave the TCP route on 0 and set the UDP route to 3 or 4, as Valorant primarily uses UDP for its fast-paced data. After configuring, click Apply Routes. You may see a No Active Connections message, which is normal. Now, minimize ExitLag and launch Valorant. Play the game as usual. You should notice a more consistent connection with potentially lower ping. You can verify the results by checking your ping in the Valorant settings or by using the in-game network stats. While tools like ExitLag fine-tune your connection for gaming, securing your overall online activity is crucial for protecting your personal data. For full device security and privacy on any network, a dedicated VPN is the best solution. For a reliable and secure VPN, check out NordVPN at the link in the description below.